In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mobile number in Yahoo Mail account. Adding a mobile number to your Yahoo account improves security, makes password recovery easier, and helps with sign-in verification if Yahoo detects unusual activity. I'll walk you through the process from the homepage all the way to verification, keeping everything clear and simple. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. You may land on a regional version of Yahoo. That's fine. The steps are the same. At the top right, select Sign In. Follow the on-screen prompts to log in. Depending on your setup, you may be asked for your username and password or to approve a sign-in notification. Once you're signed in, look again to the top right and click your profile icon or name. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account to open your account settings. In the left-hand navigation, select Security. This is where Yahoo keeps recovery options and sign-in protections. Find the section labeled Phone Numbers and open it. Choose Add Phone Number. A field appears to add your number. Confirm the correct country code and then enter your mobile number without extra spaces. Make sure it's a number you can access now because Yahoo will send a verification code. After you've entered the number, continue with the on-screen steps to finish. Yahoo usually sends a text with a short verification code or offers a voice call if texting isn't available. Enter the code exactly as shown. If it doesn't arrive, wait a moment, check your signal, confirm the country code, then tap Resend. When verification succeeds, you'll see your number listed under phone numbers. Keep it current and remove any old numbers you no longer use. And that's it. You navigated to Yahoo, signed in, opened your profile, went to manage your account, selected security, opened phone numbers, added your mobile number, and completed verification. This quick update improves account recovery and helps protect your inbox. Thanks for watching, and consider reviewing other recovery options in the security section to keep your account safe.